Welcome back to the Sacramento Beekeeper channel. You might recognize this tree from a previous video. There's a group of beekeepers in our association that have hives in this location, and they always swarm into this tree. So we've gone over to help them multiple times get the swarms out of the tree. This time it was a little too high for the queen throne, so we threw a rope over there and did the best we could and got some really good slow-mo action. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.
You got it.